Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best meditation chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Florensi Meditation Bench. We found the Florensi Meditation Bench to be a great option for those looking for a comfortable and portable meditation chair. The seat is designed to provide a comfortable incline for poses, which can help improve posture over time. Additionally, the compact and portable design makes it easy to take with you on the go. However, some users may find the cushion to be too thin, and the seat may be too small for larger individuals. Additionally, while the magnetic hinges are designed to be durable, they may not hold up as well over time as expected. Overall, if you're looking for a comfortable and portable meditation chair that can help improve your posture over time, the Florensi Meditation Bench is a great option to consider. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bonvivo 2-floor chair with back support. If you're looking for a comfortable and portable floor chair that can be used for gaming, meditation, or as an extra seat for guests, the Bonvivo 2-floor chair with back support is a great option. Overall, if you're looking for a comfortable and portable floor chair that can be used for a variety of purposes, the Bonvivo 2-floor chair with back support is a great option. The ultra-thick padding and adjustable backrest make it a comfortable choice for extended use, and its lightweight and portable design make it easy to take with you wherever you go. At number 3, we have the Mindful Modern Folding Pro Meditation Chair. If you're looking for a comfortable and adjustable meditation chair that can help you maintain proper posture during long meditation sessions, then the Mindful Modern Folding Pro Meditation Chair is worth considering. Overall, we think that the Mindful Modern Folding Pro Meditation Chair is a great investment for those who are serious about meditation and want a comfortable and adjustable chair that can help them maintain proper posture. However, if you're on a tight budget or have a larger body type, you may want to consider other options. At number 2, we have the Waterglider International Meditation Bench. We found the Waterglider International Meditation Bench to be a sturdy and well-made product. The sustainable acacia wood gives it a natural and earthy feel, while the cushioned seat provides comfort during long meditation sessions. The rounded and angled pedestal legs are securely fastened, ensuring stability during use. One downside to this bench is that it is not foldable, which may be a deal-breaker for some users who need to store it away when not in use. Additionally, taller individuals over 5 feet 11 inches may find the bench to be too small for them. The cushion may also not be thick enough for some users, which could cause discomfort during use. Overall, we recommend the Waterglider International Meditation Bench for those looking for a solid and stylish meditation bench that will last for years to come. And finally at number 1, we have the Kelendle Round Rattan Floor Chair with Ergonomic Backrest. If you're looking for a versatile and stylish meditation chair that can also serve as a floor chair, tatami chair, or even a decorative piece, the Kelendle Round Rattan Floor Chair is a great option. Overall, we would recommend the Kelendle Round Rattan Floor Chair for those who are looking for a versatile and stylish meditation chair that can also serve as a floor chair or tatami chair. The chair is made of eco-friendly and natural materials, and the ergonomic design provides good support and comfort. However, the chair may not be suitable for larger individuals, and some users may find it too low to the ground. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.